Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
The Sea Miracle is a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom cottage which sits literally steps away from the turquoise water of Duncans Bay Beach. It was designed with a great layout with angles and windows that allows you to experience the cool breeze directly from the ocean and the sounds of birds and complete relaxation. The manicure lawns and lounge outdoor area allows for those lazy days spent soaking up the sun and with the most beautiful beach just steps away. Here, you'll find a little something to satisfy your spirit. Duncans Bay is a quaint resort community next to Silver Sands. It's located in Duncans, Trelawny, which is about 35 minutes away from both Ocherayas and Montego Bay, as well as just over an hour from Kingston. It offers safety, relaxation, fused with an absolutely beautiful beach. This area is already established for vacation rentals, retirement, investment, and for those who are searching for something rare. Guys, it's time for you to see this property. Guys, it's time for you to see this cottage. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this cottage is US $450,000 or Jamaican $69,259,500. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend.